Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay with PayPal in Shopee. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google for the Shopee and open the website. Okay, and here you need to select for your country. So I'm going to select Singapore for an example. Okay, and here I'm going to select a random product. So let me select this product. Okay, and here you can see the option of buy now. Click on that option, and here you need to click on that checkout. And once you are on the checkout page, you simply need to enter your name, your phone number, your code, your billing address, and click on submit. You can add your PayPal details here, and you can pay with PayPal. So this is a simple process by which you can pay with PayPal in Shopee. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.